At Coronado, we pride ourselves on being the local Tucson plumber of choice. We provide exceptional customer care and an unmatched overall service experience. Here are some of the comments that our clients have made. Phillip Ortiz says, "They're able to fit us in on a Sunday, which was great. Our T&P valve went out on our water heater. Andy was great and let us know our options and gave us quotes for everything. I'll definitely use this company again." Ernie Fox says, "I got an estimate for replacement of our outdoor water pipe and faucet. Brandon was very polite and professional. He explained the repairs required thoroughly and answered all of my questions. We decided to choose him for the job over 2 other companies. If you require a plumber in Tucson, we can handle your needs day or night. Call us today to book a service appointment."